Having set up your employees, your tasks and your rates, you're now ready to set up your project. So to do that, from the tracking option, select projects. This will open the project list and you can see that for this company there are 3 projects already, and what I'm going to do first of all is to create a new project. So click new, and on this screen on the left hand side this is the information regarding the project itself. You can give the project a code, new one, you can say which customer it relates to, Cheryl Print. You can give it a description. You can say which of the rates and charges list you're going to use. I'm going to use my existing one here. You can give the date that the project is due to complete by, and if you click on the calendar you can put a date. The completion date is the date the project actually finishes, and here this is where you want to assign it to a project manager, and I'm going to use my project manager, Simon Underhill. You can say the priority of the project, and we're going to say it's high, and you can set the status of the project, and for this one we're going to say it's not started, and if for some reason you don't want to invoice this project then you can set it to do not invoice on there. So I'm going to save that now. Now over on this side, this is where you can put some more information, and you can put in here so for example, if you wanted to use bold and underline you can, and you might want to put in there, say for instance, a copy of the project brief or scoping document or whatever. It doesn't print out anywhere, but it could be useful for future reference. Now as far as the project tasks, you use this tab to enter those details. On the left hand side here, these are filters, and they're used more so when you're looking at projects retrospectively, and what we're doing here is we're going to enter some new tasks. So to do that, click new, and the first thing you need to do is to say which employee are you assigning this task to, and I'm going to select Simon again, and I'm going to use the code initiating a project. The unit will default to what you set up in the task code, and I'm going to leave these blank for the moment because I don't know how long they're going to take. And in this field you have to put some text, and in this case I've typed in organise IP meeting as soon as possible. Once you've done that, press save, and that task has now been saved to Simon. And you can go through your project, you can create all the tasks, you can assign them to the various people working on the tasks, and then subsequently those people are able to record the actual quantity of time or money or whatever that they actually spent on this task. So that's how you create new projects and project tasks.